What's up, guys? Today,
Trey, come over here.
right now, remember last videos Tyson did a water bottle flip. It was insane. And you may ask, how does a baby do bottle flips?
There's actually some videos on YouTube showing that.
Yeah, but it takes practice for babies since babies don't know how to water bottle flip. Sorry.
Trey!
Oops. So you wonder, why is that crazy? How is a baby bottle flip? Well, it just does it randomly. When a baby bottle flips, he gets the cap of the bottle and just throws it. And there's a 50% chance it will not land, and a 50% chance it will land.
And 50%
Or maybe cap.
50% chance that will land on Trey's head.
No, they're not.
Sometimes it can smash people's head.
Alright, so get up.
Trey, let's do a gaming video. Please.
Hold on, before we do that.
But things that he got Trey.
No, not yet. So.
No?
Not yet.
No? Oh my god. No, oh my god.
That's horrible.
Oh my god.
Boy. Hey.
Now can we do it?
Hold on, before I do something. Look, this is a hack. Look, I'll be right back.
Oh my god. Really, Trey?
I'm back. See? Look at this. Oh, how does that happen, you may ask? Well, it's easy. Just put the mask on top of the mask. And then try to line it up perfectly. Like this. Like you can't even tell the difference. Look. Yeah, but it will fall off. But let me show you how this
Trey, let's do it.
Do this.
Let's do the gameplay.
And then,
Let's do
You
the
put this
gameplay. Let's do this gameplay. Trey, let's do the gameplay.
Here, see this. I love that. How's the gaming video? And right now, Charles playing.
City Tycoon. But I might play this off camera.
Yeah, we might do it off camera. So I'm gonna show you something.
Wait, Trey, are you gonna film my
Not yet. You see this drone. Everyone remembers this drone. It just flies in the air like crazy. But you may ask, is that the only drone I have? No. I am on the drone.
Hey, everybody knows because it's your Christmas video. Remember?
This one. This one's my favorite. This one.
Trey, you already showed them that.
I know. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe if you're new.
Yeah, you did.
And people are new, so you may wonder, why does this one have no controller? Well, this one's hand. This one is, you're supposed to control it by your hands. Well, the reason why it's doing that because the battery's dead, and I gotta charge it. But this one's rare. I like it. It's a couple like scratches. See that? It's a little marks right there. Like, because it keeps getting crashed into a wall when they get hit. Alright, next show.
Trey!
This one.
Trey,
That's
the
what I like.
gameplay.
This one glows.
Trey!
This one also glows too.
Trey!
This is the remote of this one.
Trey, the gameplay.
Hold on, after this. Oh.
Hurry up.
Alright, next one.
Gameplay. Gameplay.
I'm wondering, how does a drone work? Well, drones have these batteries. You charge it, then put it inside. Then it works. Well, this one doesn't need a battery. So it's
Guys, in
fleet.
Hawaii, we're gonna make like one of a movie
So we're going to Hawaii at May.
in June.
June?
Yeah.
My last drone. This one's also red. Ow! Stop! This controller. And you're wondering, does it even work? Yes, it does. But, hey. Move, trail. Let me...
Okay, let's do the gameplay.
Ah, it hurts so bad.
What? I got 16 more people living here in about 40 seconds.
Alright, so I'm going to fly one of my drones. Hope you liked how it flies. Alright. Put it in.
Ooh, I guess.
Lock it. Turn it on. Turn this. Oh,
Trey.
no, never mind. I accidentally turned it on. Actually, I think it doesn't work since I never charge it. I haven't charged it a lot of times, though. Right. Turn this off.
Trey, gameplay.
Hold on. Now, that. And you may wonder, Trey, you want to charge it right now? No, not yet, since my room is getting bigger, and I want to block some space because I have so many drones that I charge. Alright. Hold on.
Trey.
I know you're saying, where's this battery? It's this one, see? See, you shouldn't even plug it in. Actually, no, because I didn't charge it. So no. Not gonna fly this. We don't have batteries. Alright, this one, though. Ooh. Let's see if it works. So, this one also glows. Ooh. Let's take the camera. Why is it on? Look at it, push it all the way. Alright. Turn this on.
Look at time.
If you didn't know what happened, stay to the end of the video and find out what happened.
Oh, Ty wants to be in the video.
This is the baby who flipped water bottles. Can I put you down? Can I put you down, Ty? His name is Tyson, by the way, if you're new.
And his name is Bite Bite.
No, he's not. His name is not Boo. Okay, so what? All right, this is the end of the video.
We have the part.
So what happened?
Wait, Trey.
What?
Trey, gameplay.
I'll do it in the next video.
No.
It's nighttime. No one plays video games at night.
Kevin
All right.
does.
Who, Kevin?
Edwards Jr.
Yeah, but what's the YouTuber name?
Gamer Kev.
Gamer with what?
Kev.
Kev, okay. Alright, so what happened at the end of the video? What happened is when I flied it, it crashed and then it lit. Then I stopped it. And you probably know that, these are all my drones, but I'm still a trainer of flying drones because kick Joe's butt. Alright, hope you liked the end of the video. Today, next video is gonna come up tomorrow morning.
And we have to, oh man, I keep getting them wrong. I keep
Boom, boom, boom. Alright, before we end the video, wow, I just did that.
ironed it.
Alright, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and
Tyson!
hit the subscribe button to
Okay,
see
look at
if
the
you're
computer.
new.
Tyson was playing
Okay,
video
well, I'm gonna
games.
go. Bye.